Kilo Code versus Augment Code. Choosing the right coding environment can completely change how you develop applications without the frustration of compatibility issues. Both options offer unique features tailored to different user needs. Kilo Code and Augment Code are two powerful platforms for developers. The core difference lies in their focus. Kilo Code emphasizes a streamlined coding experience, while Augment Code offers extensive tools for augmented reality applications. Kilo Code is a versatile coding platform designed to enhance productivity for developers. It integrates seamlessly with various programming languages, offering an intuitive interface and powerful features that simplify the coding process. Kilo Code supports real-time collaboration, allowing teams to work together efficiently. Its strengths include a rich library of resources and a user-friendly design, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced developers. However, it may lack some advanced functionalities found in more specialized platforms. The ideal user for Kilo Code is someone looking for an efficient and accessible coding environment without the steep learning curve. Augment Code is a cutting-edge platform specifically tailored for developing augmented reality applications. It provides a comprehensive suite of tools that enable developers to create immersive experiences with ease. Augment Code excels in offering robust support for 3D modeling and visualization, making it a go-to choice for AR-focused projects. Its strengths lie in its specialized features designed for augmented reality, allowing for intricate designs and interactive elements. However, users may find it less suited for traditional application development. The ideal user for Augment Code is a developer focused on creating innovative AR applications and seeking advanced tools for that purpose. When comparing Kilo Code and Augment Code, consider the type of projects you are working on. If your focus is on general application development and you value ease of use, Kilo Code is likely the better choice. It offers a straightforward experience that caters to a wide range of programming needs. On the other hand, if you are venturing into the world of augmented reality and require specialized tools, Augment Code stands out with its advanced capabilities. The trade-off lies in versatility versus specialization. Kilo Code is more adaptable, while Augment Code provides depth in AR development. For general application development, Kilo Code is highly recommended for its user-friendly interface and broad capabilities. If you are focused on augmented reality projects, Augment Code is the ideal choice for its specialized tools and features. Choose the platform that aligns with your development goals and elevate your coding experience.